Mastering the phrases. Head on. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into the interesting world of English phrases, particularly focusing on head on. Understanding such phrases will not only enhance your vocabulary but will also help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started. The term head on, when used literally, often refers to two things moving towards each other and colliding directly. Imagine two cars moving towards each other and crashing. They meet head on. Example 1. The two cars crashed head on. Example 2. The deer ran head on into the headlights. Apart from its literal meaning, head on can be used metaphorically. It usually signifies facing a challenge or problem directly without trying to avoid it. Example 1. When she realized there was a problem in her team, she addressed it head on rather than ignoring it. Example 2. Facing your fears head on is often the best way to overcome them. 1. Context matters. Always look at the context to determine if head on is being used literally or figuratively. 2. Pairing with verbs. When using it in a figurative sense, pair it with verbs like address, face, or tackle for a more authentic feel. 3. Avoid overuse. While it's a great phrase, try to ensure you don't overuse it. Mix up your language to keep it fresh and diverse. And that's a wrap on head on. We hope this session has provided you clarity on how to effectively use this phrase in both literal and figurative contexts. Always remember, the best way to master any language is through practice. So, go out there and face your language challenges head on. Happy learning!